Hey guys, today we'll be discussing about dashboard tools. On the platform down below in the navigation bar you can find for the app marketplace here and you can search for dashboard tools. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on the any specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose a more. If you choose a more, it will be also giving you the option to enable automatic future installation. Let's just choose for the time being for location 1. Here it is. Continue with that, allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards the agency level. It's loading at the moment. In the meanwhile, we were discussing the next step, that is moving forward towards the sub account on which we have installed dashboard tools. Here we are on the agency level now. Let's just choose location 1. Here we are on location 1 now. And the next step will be moving forward towards the automations to create a workflow and to check on the actions are working correctly or not. As you can see in the navigation bar, you can find for the automations here and you can just create a workflow and start from scratch. Here we are in our workflow builder. Let's just create a new action. Find for dashboard tools. Here it is. You can create dashboard metrics action with that. Click on it and you have to choose the type, increment or decrement. Let's just choose increment, the value for that. Enter any to set an example for the time being and the card information. Let's just choose test and save this action. Now we will be testing our workflows and run this test. Head towards the execution logs. As you can see, the action is executed now successfully. It is that simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.